Hello everybody, this is Mike Austin of Vectology. I'm here on behalf of Vectips. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do here is a black fill. First thing we have to do is work on making our brush. It's going to be a basic shape, an ellipse. Go ahead and drag that out there. Just like that. We're going to be using this for most of all of our inking and all of our sketching. Okay, art brush. Make sure we have tint selected. Okay, very good. Now we can delete this. Okay, now go ahead and grab your brush tool. That'll be B on your keyboard. Now I'm going to bring my opacity down to about 10% so we can have a light sketch. Let's switch this over to the stroke. Now let's start drawing our little character out. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit thinner. Okay, there we go. So the bases of the head here. Okay, now let's do the midsection. Let's do the eyes. Right here, this is going to be the area where the eyes are going to go. Just like that. I'm going to draw some little eyes here, like so. Little eye right there, little mouth, there we go. Now that we have that basics there, we can go ahead and add 20% opacity to the brush so we can kind of color in. Well, maybe 40 would be a lot better for this. There we go. Let's bring this down to about 0.25. Okay, now that we have our character looking good, okay. Okay, looks pretty good there. Now what we're going to do now is actually ink this out. I'm going to go Control G to group. I'm going to go down, make a new layer. On layer 2, we're going to call this actual drawing. This one's going to be sketch. Top layer. There we go. Now on the top layer here, the sketch layer, let's go ahead and bring this down to about 40% so we can see through it. Let's go ahead and lock that layer. And now we're going to do some basic inking here. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab our brush that we did before. Let's make sure we have a good stroke. Make sure that's solid white. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw this actual head of the body here. On this eyepiece right here, this one as well. And there we go. Now I'm going to work on some embellishments to put around him, like this, or maybe some horns or something. Let's work on the mouth. Let's add the gum area first. You want to work on the things that are in the back, most outer part of the sketch first, and then bring things on top of it. Let's go ahead and work on these gums as well. Very good. Now for the teeth. Very nice. I'm going to add some kind of a fold of skin going over these. Top. Right here, right there, and right there. Okay, very good. Let's go ahead and draw one more eye shape in here so we can see it. And this one's going to be for the highlight of the eye. Put a little pad right there. Control Alt left bracket brings it to the back. Now for some detail, we're going to go 0.15. Make that a little bit thinner. Let's go ahead and darken these out a little bit. Just make the shape solid black. A little more detail. I'm going to go ahead and add some black to this mouth here. Okay, we come to the end of this tutorial. The next chapter we will learn how to actually color this character out. This is Mike Austin with Vectology here on behalf of Vectips, and thank you very much for watching.